I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the Bluetooth speaker and enable its pairing mode so the TV can see it. On the TV, go straight to Settings, then Sound or Connections. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If your TV hides Bluetooth under Network or Accessories, check those menus. Why do this first? Because visibility and power are the two most common blockers. Once both are discoverable, you're ready to search for the speaker from the TV. Don't skip the speaker's pairing indicator. Now you pair. On the TV, choose Add Device or Pair New Device, then select your speaker's name from the list. If the TV asks for a PIN, enter the speaker default like 0000 or 1234. This exchanges secure keys so audio stays synced. After connection, change the TV audio output to Bluetooth and test volume. Make sure TV volume and speaker volume both are up. If you notice lip sync lag, enable any audio delay or game mode on the TV to reduce latency. Finish by testing different sources: a streaming app, live TV, and a Bluetooth test tone to confirm consistent audio. If playback stutters, unpair and remove the speaker from the TV's device list, then reboot both devices and try pairing again. This clears cached profiles. Make sure firmware on the TV and speaker is current because updates fix compatibility and latency. If you still have issues, move away from Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. That one change often solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.